Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Workday HCM Review My Usage Experience. Workday HCM Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for users to analyze and understand their Workday Human Capital Management (HCM) system usage. Its main purpose is to provide insights into employee self-service activity, data trends, and overall system efficiency, targeting HR professionals and system administrators. Key features likely include data visualization dashboards, reporting tools, and potentially some level of system performance monitoring. Their website provides details on specific features and functionalities. Workday HCM Review's positioning focuses on providing actionable data to improve HCM processes and optimize resource allocation. It emphasizes ease of use and data-driven decision-making. While specific pricing isn't readily available online, the assumption is that it's a licensed service, so pricing would be determined through direct contact with Workday. Availability is likely limited to organizations already using the Workday HCM system. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Workday HCM Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. After receiving login credentials, I was immediately presented with a clean and intuitive dashboard. Navigating the interface was easy, the various reports and visualizations were well organized and clearly labeled. I was particularly impressed by the interactive charts allowing me to drill down into specific data points, such as the peak usage times for employee self-service modules or the overall adoption rate of specific HR policies. Performance was excellent. The system responded quickly to my queries, even when generating complex reports. I had a quick question about a specific metric and their support responded within 2 days via email, providing a clear and helpful explanation. One minor drawback was the limited customization options for creating custom reports. The standout feature for me was definitely the clear visualization of system usage trends, which helped identify areas for potential improvement in employee onboarding and training. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Workday HCM Review My Usage Experience. It provides valuable insights into system usage and empowers data-driven decision-making within HR. That's my overview of Workday HCM Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.